Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titinan natin kung ano parating sa inyo. Energy update. First half ng December. So that's December 1 to 15, 2024. Ayan. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. So let's see what's coming to you, Scorpio. Ngayong first half ng December. Okay. Scorpio, first half ng December, what's up? Higher power. Wow, you are stepping into your power. Scorpio, maaring mas magiging malakas ang inyong intuition, ang inyong instinct. Merong you are holding the key. May hawak kang susi. I feel like there's going to be clarity in your situation ngayong first half ng December. Kung meron ka mga sinusolve na problema, ayan, mabibigyan mo na ng solusyon yan. Serendipity, wow. So this is about good luck. May mga mangyayari, pag sinabi kasing serendipitous moments is parang things that are meant to happen, things that you are meant to experience. Ngayong first half ng December, wow, happy! Ang ganda naman. So, for some of you, Scorpio, may celebration. You are going to be part of a party, events, no, together with your friends, or you're just celebrating maaring meron kang mga achievements ngayong first half ng December, mga goals mo, na ito na, nagmamanifest na for you, and you are rising, umaangat ka. And this first half ng December, there's definitely good luck sa inyo. May magandang mga mangyayari na in alignment of your destiny. Okay, let's see what else. Scorpio. The Wheel of Fortune. Wow. Diba? The Wheel of Fortune is shift, energy shift, change. It's getting better. Some of you, pwedeng may change ng inyong fortune. So, ibig sabihin yan, ay yung kapalaran yung nagbabago, mas maganda. Queen of Pentacles. When it comes to your finances, stability ito. You are going to have a stable career, stable business, finances, yung resources mo. Some of you, pwedeng ang isa sa pagbabago na to, no? Very clear para sa iba na kayo ay magkakaroon ng upgrade. Let's say sa trabaho, mapopromote ka, tataas yung sweldo mo, or may upgrade ka sa income mo. Ano man yung pinagkakakitaan mo, whether nagbi-business ka or self-employed ka or employed ka, may pag-angat ng income. You have the Six of Cups. Six of Cups is about true love. This is about your passion. I think you're going to focus on what makes you feel happy, no? Ano yung nagpapasaya sa'yo? Saan ka na-inspire? And you're going to use that inspiration to create abundance sa buhay mo. You have the Justice card. This is also knowledge, the gift of knowledge and discernment. So pagdating sa mga decision making mo, no, on point yung decision making mo ngayong first half ng December, especially in with your finances. Let's say mag-invest ka, or mag-start ka ng business, or mag-apply ka ng bagong trabaho. Speaking of bagong trabaho, there is a new beginning. First half ng December, a new experience, pwedeng new beginning, new experience for you. Some of you are going to take some risks. Yan. Magte-take kayo ng risk. Kumbaga susugal ka sa buhay, susugal ka sa bagong trabaho, susugal ka sa bagong negosyo, investment mo. Well-calculated risk ito. I think you are also being guided by your friends or people na nagsusupport sa'yo, loved ones mo, na naniniwala sa kakayanan mo. Some of you meron kayong first time experience ngayong December. Let's say, anything first time. Bahala na kayo kung anong first time yan. But this will make you feel happy, make you feel good. Parang kumbaga lumilipad ka, ganyan. O lipad, baka maaring iba sa inyo first time yung magta-travel abroad, or first time yung sasakay ng airplane or ng barko. There's a communication. Okay, ano tong message na communication? May tatawag. I feel like there is someone na kakausapin mo or kakausapin ka na maglalabas siya ng feelings niya. Mag-express siya ng feelings niya towards you. Pwede ikaw yung maglalabas ng feelings. Itong feelings na to, it doesn't have to be romantic, no? Pwedeng may friend ka na magrarant or magko-confide sa'yo, no? May contracts and agreements. Pwedeng ikaw rin yung magko-confide sa friend mo, kakausapin mo, kasi there are things that you want to express na hindi mo masabi sa iba, no? That can be also a secret. So, meron ditong ring. Some of you maaring papasok sa isang contract, no? So, some of you pwedeng, yun nga, bagong trabaho, business contract. So, just make sure na alamin mo yung mga pinapasok mo na mga responsibilities or kontrata, no? This can be a romantic connection as well. Meron kang mas lubusang makikilala na tao na ngayon, kung magkakilala mo na siya, pwedeng ngayong first half ng December, mas magiging close kayo dahil you will share, mag-share kayo ng mga experiences nyo together, and marirealize nyo na marami kayong something in common. Ayan. Happy home. So, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong mga activities gagawin sa bahay ninyo or decorations na gagawin. Syempre, no, holiday season na. That you will feel homey, you will feel good about the place na tinitirhan mo. So, redecoration yan. Yes, meron talagang travel opportunities for you. Yung iba sa inyo, first time yung makasakay ng tren. Baka yung bagong bukas na yung sa may LRT ba yun? Ewan ko. Basta yung bagong bukas na line ng tren. Or, some of you may travel opportunities. Okay? Ngayong first half ng December. Okay, so let's see what else. Yung iba, bibili kayo ng bahay. Or yung tipong maglo-loan kayo sa Pag-ibig, ganyan. Tapos, ma-approve yung inyong loan. Sa money, career, finances, naku, mukhang marami kayong responsibilities. Oo. But, I think, kaya nyong i-resolve, kaya nyong panindigan. Some of you, you're just going to work in silence. Tahimik lang kayong magtatrabaho. Uy, the world, Marami kayong, alam nyo, the more na tahimik kayong nagtatrabaho, the more na marami kayong na-achieve. So, sa love life, you have the Hanged Man. The King of Pentacles. So, you may be dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Meron dito hindi nagkakaintindihan sa connection. Na parang mawawala ng gana, no, sa isa't isa. Pwedeng hindi muna mag-uusap. Know you are loved. Scorpio. May nagmamahal sa'yo. Unleash your kindest self. This is you focusing on self-improvement. Yes. Take a reality check. And also, nagiging aware ka rin sa nangyayari sa paligid mo. At from there, no, dun ka makakapag-decide kung yung mga actions na gagawin mo ba ay practical o hindi. Okay? So, that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. Bye.